Hey guys, welcome to the third and final video of my partition wall build. In part one, I built the steel frame for the wall. In part two, I milled up the reclaimed wood that makes up the wall panels. And now in part three, I'll finish up the live edge shelves, haul it all down to my wife's salon, and reassemble it. Now I'm going to have to notch the back of the reclaimed board to accommodate for the bolts that hold the two sections of the wall together. Now in this recessed area here, I'm going to put some shelves, and I originally was going to take this same reclaimed wood, full thickness, the full 2 inches thick, and just basically square this off so it would be 2 feet long, 1 foot deep, and probably 4 shelves. But I think to kind of contrast against this rough sawn wood, I'm going to take some of the walnut that I milled last year and make some live edge, nicely finished shelves to go in here instead. I think it'll really stand out with this as a backdrop. Now these slabs aren't the ones I was just thinking about, and these will actually work better because these were milled probably at least 2.5 years ago, so I know they're good and dry. And I've already made a display table for the salon out of this same material, and so the colors and everything will match with the table that's in the front of the salon. So these are completely rough. This is one I sanded on a while back. It's pretty nice looking stuff. I think I'll make a shelf out of that too. Now this has a little bit of a jog in the last 3 inches or so. Luckily I was able to get most of it out of it by cutting this shelf only 12 inches wide, but I'm gonna hit this with my hand planer and see if I can't flatten that out a little bit. Where's gonna get the best shot?
Huh?
Where's gonna get the best shot? Getting a good shot? Well, I've got the wall completely mocked up. I've got all the wood in place, all the shelves are made and fitted. Now I've got to disassemble the entire thing. I'm going to do a little bit of light sanding on the corners of the reclaimed wood to just kind of clean it up and get rid of some splinters that are left over from the construction. I need to finish sand and put clear coat on these walnut shells. I'm going to use a water-based polyurethane. And then I'm going to sand and paint all the metal framework. I'm going to use it's advertised as a truck bed coating. It's in a rattle can. Get it at Home Depot. And I'm going to paint all the frame, haul it all down to the salon, and put it all back together. Here we go. Okay, well, the new wall I just built is going to take the place of this partition wall that's kind of an office style cubicle wall. It's on wheels and stuff, but it doesn't completely enclose this area where they do eyelash extensions. So I'm going to start with taking this wall down and making room for the new one.
at the very end go right there, right?
Well, yeah, but I need the curtain.
It's like it's...
I can bring the rope back around.
Okay, that's good.
I'll probably end up getting at least one more of these tables. This thing is just beyond handy.
Talking to somebody?
Filming?
Oh,
Jeez, ruined the shot, Mom.
sorry.